guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Again, it's me, your Badyanong Kalakwacha. Alright, for today's vlog guys, we're going to do a sit-down vlog and it's gonna be my first time to do a tutorial. Yes, a tutorial on how I usually edit my YouTube thumbnail. Yes, YouTube thumbnail guys, I think it's one of the important factors to make your content stand out or attractive to your audience or to your subscribers, because it's the first thing that they will see when they're browsing YouTube videos. So let's go guys, we're going to do on how I usually edit my YouTube thumbnail on mobile phone using PICSART. So let's go guys. Okay guys, first things first, make sure you have a PICSART application on your mobile phone. Open your PICSART application on your mobile device, then add for new art. Choose any background on your mobile photos. Under tools, crop your background and choose default YouTube size. Add photo from your library that you want to put cover on your thumbnail. Cut out the background from the photo you added and trace your body by red mark. If you have any excess from your tracing, you can actually erase it using this option. After cutting out your image, put border on the side with any color of your choice. Then type any text or title for your thumbnail. You can actually adjust the size and change the fonts and its colors. Make sure it's readable and visible. Finally, you can save and download your thumbnail to your photo library. And now, your YouTube thumbnail is ready for your YouTube video.